everyone, welcome to Dissect's online session on angles and its vertices. I hope you all have already seen our DIY activity on vertices and you have performed the activity. If you haven't, please watch that video and perform the activity. Cut me here and cut me here. Let's see what is there to cut. See, this is, like we all know, this is a scissors, correct? The scissors two blades have been joined at one point using a screw. In science, we say it is a fulcrum, correct? So this is like two blades have joined at one point. Here we can see that there are so many wooden planks and it's been connected or joined using screw at different places. So see, this is one log which is in straight line and it's been joined with so many other logs, correct? So it is like intersecting or joining at different places like this. Even we can see that this log is joined with all other wooden sticks using screw at this place, at this place, at this place, at this place, everywhere. So it is like two sticks are joining at a point. That is called a point of intersection, correct? So this is joining at different places like this. So even we know that we all used to play with using Mikado sticks, the game with the Mikado sticks. So in this Mikado sticks, we can see that, see, this Mikado stick, the blue color Mikado stick is joined at one point in the along with this black Mikado sticks. And here, and here, and here, and here, there are so many. Can we count it? Yes. I think you all might have performed our Mikado stick activity and might have counted the point of intersection. So this point of intersection, this point of intersection, here this line is, connecting it here as well as here. This both the point of intersection. So what is this point of intersection we call it? Correct. So the point of intersection of two straight lines, like the straight lines cut each other at a point. That point of intersection we call as vertex. What is this called? This called is vertex. Suppose if it is joining more than two places, like more points like this, like this is forming so many. There are more point of intersections. So we call it as vertices. The plural form of vertex we call as vertices. So the two lines and the vertex form an angle, correct? So these two lines and it is intersecting at this point and there are so many angles are formed. When any two straight lines is intersecting at one point, what is called an angle will be formed. So if it is like this, if two straight lines connect like this, like perpendicular to each other, so we call it as a right angle. If it is less than right angle, if it is less than right angle like this, the angle is less than right, whereas this is 90 degree or it is right angle, less than right angle, we call it as acute. And then which is one is more than 90 degree, more than right angle. So it can be a right angle, less than right angle, can be more than right angle. Hope you have understood what is vertices. The point of intersection of two straight lines is called vertices. See, can you spot different angles in this everyday objects? See, the scissors we have already seen. This is the point of intersection. And in clips, this is the point of intersection. Here we can see that this is the point of intersection. Here in funnel or like this, here is a point of intersection. Here there are so many angles, correct? So many point of intersections. This is vertex, vertex. There are so many vertices. See, what is this? This is a pencil. Here we can see there are so many point of intersection, so many vertices over here and so many angles. Two straight lines and a vertex forms an angle. See here we can see that, like, this is the mad angle, like, you might have seen, like, the chips wafers in the shape of angle. So it is, there are three vertex, two lines are joining with vertex and another vertex. Here, see, in football, we can see the pentagon, correct? There are so many pentagons forms on football. So different angles at different places. All are the angles which we can see in real, or like, everyday objects. That's like this video, and thanks for watching. Bye.
All the materials used in this activity are available in Dbox along with other learning and teaching aids. For more information on Dbox for home use, school program and CSR program, visit the link given in the description of this video. If you found this video helpful, then please hit that like button and share it with your friends. And if you have still not subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get all updates. We hope to see you in our next video. Happy learning!